Hello everyone, it's Dr. Slack of Imber Medical, here today to talk to you about a truly amazing device. It's been used for years in multiple European countries and is now FDA approved for use in the States. Plasma pen. Plasma pen is a unique technology and it uses a forced state of matter, emitted plasma, to target the peaks of wrinkles causing contraction of the skin, forcing wrinkles to unfold before your eyes. Treated skin is replaced with new skin, which forms in a contracted way. Remodeling of the underlying collagen and strengthening of the treated skin occurs for 3 months. This is a revolutionary technique in its ability to contract the skin. Imber uses a state-of-the-art German-engineered device that converts energy into plasma. Not plasma like we donate, but plasma as in a state of matter that's able to convert a solid to a gas by passing liquid phase. The pen is non-touch. This is a key point, as imposters use electrical current pens that must touch the skin. Those devices can be associated with poor outcomes and should be avoided. True plasma causes only micro damage to the surface of the skin, which in turn promotes your body's fibroblast migration, ongoing improvements in collagen, skin strength, tightening, texture, and wrinkle reduction. After this new collagen is formed, it's all yours. Plasma does not just treat wrinkles and sagging skin, it also treats scars, skin tags, SKs or sunspots, warts, even melasma. Acne outbreaks can be greatly decreased as this treatment reduces pore size and sebum production. Plasma pen has been used all over the world to deliver a brighter, more contoured, and youthful appearance using your body's natural formation of collagen. That glow and bounce of youthful skin is something only your own body can produce. Notice the reduced wrinkles and light reflection off the cheek of this client that had an area treated for age spots. This client did not have filler or any other treatments to plump this tissue. Her age spots were raised and seen through all kinds of makeup. But perhaps the most mind-blowing treatment this device offers is non-surgical blepharoplasty, also known as lid lift. This client had 3 treatments 12 weeks apart and was thrilled with her outcome from Plasma Pen. We will provide you with a comprehensive consultation towards obtaining a more youthful you. To learn more about Plasma Pen or any of our other transformative treatments, come visit us at Imber on St. Simon's Island. The time has come to imagine, improve, and impress.